Good morning. So welcome to a new vlog. It's your girl. If this is your first time here, shout out to you. Welcome. So right now I'm just going to go get groceries at the superstore. So I completely forgot to vlog yesterday. I went to the LDM conference, which is the Love, Dating, Marriage conference by Pastor Kingsley and his wife, Pastor Mildred. Completely skipped my mind to vlog, but I'll probably just give you guys a little overview of what we discussed. Not sure yet if I'm gonna do that, but if I do, stay tuned for that. Well, I did that yesterday. Today I'm cleaning the house, working out, grocery shopping, cooking, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then I have a party after 9 tonight. It's called Sugarcane by Icarus Sound. Looking forward to it. It's my first Sugarcane event with Icarus, so I have high expectations because I attended one of his events last year, which was the Adekunle Gold Stampede event.
Are you guys ready? It's about to be lit.
Who's your baby? Who's your daddy?
My God! Oh my God! People so Shade! I love you guys! I love
Stampede event was absolutely stunning, amazing. Loved it. The production was top notch, so I'm really looking forward to tonight. It's the long weekend as well, so Monday there's no work, so I have to figure out what I will be doing with my day off. Although I do have work in the evening, do not have work in the morning, so that's that. But yeah, so just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing today, and I'll be carrying you guys along with me, so stay tuned. Bye. Just going to the grocery store was to take the train, but they stopped all the services, so now I have to walk, and I'm sweating like a pig. Like, how does that even make sense, guys? But yeah, I'm almost at the superstore right now. Party tonight. I don't know what makeup to go for, but I'll probably keep it simple and maybe like a pop in the eye. I already did my skincare, so no need to show you guys that. I'm gonna start off with my brows, but I'm not going to show you guys how I do my brows on camera because you guys don't need to know that. Like, there's 10,000 videos on how to do your brows. So I'm going in with my concealer now. I'm using Maple and Butterscotch. And I'm making sure not to put it too close to my eyes. I got this new foundation from Makeup by Mario and I tested it out yesterday. I will probably do like a proper review on this soon, but so far so good. I don't come out looking crazy after. And I just spray. So for the Makeup by Mario, I'm using the shades 24N. She applies. now I'm going in with warm sand and just a dot, like dot. And then that's about that dress down. I'm gonna go in with my Hair Beauty blush. Setting powder is the Uda Beauty powder. This is by no means a tutorial, FYI. In case you were wondering, this is not a tutorial. I just finished my makeup. For some reason, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna go with this dress, but this is the final look of the makeup. And this is the foundation, the makeup by Mario Foundation. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks decent. What do you think? What do you think? Closer? Yeah, okay, bye.
Baby.
This is what the restaurant looks like. It's like a rooftop, but like a covered rooftop, so it's really nice and it's not too hot yet. People are still coming. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Are you the type of person who like drink wine at home? No, I don't know. I'm just typical drinker. Is it good? Gentrification, we can't have anything playing. They're always gonna show their face. You're done next year. Ah! You're so close. How does that feel? I'm scared. Why? Because I know like I either have to go work full time now or like go back to school. I mean, I could do both. I would if I had the money. I don't want to have to like take out a loan for it if it's not even necessary. You want to stay in supply chain? Or you like open? I'm definitely open.
So turn up is done. Gotta go home now. To be quite honest, I just know that type of fun it's not what I'm built for, so I'll explain to you guys more when I'm inside. Is it that you've never had Ogi before, or this one is just now?
I always had the one from Nigeria. Did you put lemon inside? You put ginger?
Something was off, man.
Ask me, I'll go remember. So go message you, and I use it to make ogi. I know what she eating for him to make that shit. That just book is sour.
Guys, so I started cooking this morning. I have a list of things I have to get completed, so cook, hopefully go to Best Buy. I don't know how feasible that is just because I'm starting work in a few hours, and then I'm headed to the dollar store right now to go get a few bowls that I can use to pack the food that I'm cooking, just because I don't have enough containers at home. And I might stop by Winners just to return some of the stuff that I purchased. Your girl is tired. Last night did not drain me, but almost did, just because we came back pretty late. Last night was nice. Last night was fun. Definitely something different. It's definitely not like my vibe, and not in a bad way. I'm just not that social anymore, which sucks, because before I used to enjoy going out. Pardon the noise. Like I said, I used to enjoy going out, but now it's just like, leave me at the altar with my father. Basically, that type of going out is the one I enjoy the most now. This week, I don't have anything planned this week, but hopefully I can go to Banff. But just the week, all I have to do is work and plan for my birthday trip that's happening next month. But the sun is not out much today, but I'm trying to get rid of my hyperpigmentation on my cheek here. So I've been using a few products. If you're trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation and you're not using sunscreen, just forget about it. All right, so I'm ready to go. Let's go. Pretty much picked everything that I needed. I'm definitely coming back again probably like next month to pick out a few things, but that's pretty much it, y'all. Let's go check out. Guys, so we just got home. Got this. I'm gonna make fried jollof rice, so I'm trying to like make it in there. And then I got some containers. I got a gas lighter because I got a candle and I want to record a video, so I'm gonna need these two items. I got some candy. I'm not supposed to indulge in this, so check. This is for stress. Whenever I'm stressing, you got a strainer, scissors, floss. We don't like having stanky breath. So right now we're making jollof rice. I need to bring up my rice. So once the rice is ready, I'll also make plantain. I'll fry some plantain. I have chicken in the oven that's roasting right now. Living alone is actually fun, but it's quite annoying sometimes. Like, I don't have anyone to talk to, so I think that really forces me to like record my videos even more, which is good. But yeah, it is fun. It has its perks and cons. I'm gonna add in my tomato paste. Look at this deliciousness. Oh my god. Now I'm actually not sure if I want to put it in the oven or cook it on the stove.
I think I'm just cooking on the stove now because I really don't want to risk the whole oven situation. But the stew is looking banging. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. This jollof is ready. I just added butter real quick, and yeah, it tastes pretty good as well. Look how beautiful the color is. Yeah. Okay, so I'm getting palm oil. This is what, Zomi palm oil? I'm not sure exactly. Guys, I came here for the matlock agege bread and I can't find any because they're out of stock. So now I have to go to another African store to get it. I'm actually pissed, but it's okay. We have ewa and palm oil. I got my agege bread and I got malt as well. Didn't really need to get the malt, but I just got it because I've not had it in a while. But yeah, I secured the package. I'm so happy. You have been dreaming about this bread? Y'all have no clue. So right now we're going to the meat store. It's called Central Halal Meat, and it's a wholesale and retail. Good morning. Oh, it's currently past 7 a.m. right now. I've been awake for almost 3 hours. So remember how I went to a party this last weekend? Well, I came back home sick. I'm literally fighting for my life right now. Thankfully, it's not as bad as the last time I got sick when I was here. But this is why I will no longer be going out. Like, I'm no longer attending any public events whereby people that I don't know are I'm no longer doing it. This is my last straw, to be quite honest. So I came back sick. I've been sick for a couple of days now. I'm going to pick up a COVID test on my way out today, just in case. I feel like if I did have COVID, it's probably not as strong as the last time. I'm just gonna do the test just in case. Right now, I've been sneezing my brains off. I don't have a headache anymore, thank God. But like, whenever I get up, I just feel so tired and weak. As you can see, I'm dehydrated. Look at my freaking lips. And I've been drinking water. I literally bought bread yesterday, if you guys remember. But I can't eat it now because I know that it's not going to help me. So I don't have that much appetite. So that's why I bought the bread so I can eat something I like. But then I just thought to myself, it's not going to be smart. You know when you want to sneeze, but the sneeze refuses to come out? That's literally what's going on right now. This shit got me up. I'm tired. I mean, yesterday I did feel a little bit better because I went outside, so I think I'll probably have to step out soon. But like, I'm not in the mood anymore for parties whereby like there's more than 50 people now, because every single time I decide to enjoy myself or go out, I end up sick. So what's the point? I knew something was up when I went to that party. My spirit did not sit well with me, but then again, I stayed until late. I decided not to leave. I should have just packed my bags and left the moment I was feeling some type of way. Always go with your instinct. Always follow your gut. Whenever your gut is telling you something, just follow it. And I refuse to, and here I am in this position right now. You don't want to be like me. Don't do it.
I'm going to end this vlog here because I need to start a new one. I wish you guys a great week ahead, whenever you're watching this vlog. As usual, always subscribe, like, comment as well. The cocoa of the story is always go with your God. Don't do something that your spirit does not sit well with. Okay? I'll catch you guys on another episode. Bye.